What's up, YouTube? This is Doc Allen TV, where we inspire to educate and motivate. And today, I'm just gonna show y'all a quick trick, where you can use to save money. So this right here, if you know how to cut, you don't know how to cut, it don't matter. You can look up online and see. I did this myself, and nowadays it's $35, $40 for a haircut, like straight up. So if you got it to spend, go for it. There's another thing. If you're going through those car washes, they're gonna charge you 10, 20 if you want the Rain X. So and then you gotta, if you would just need your car vacuum cleaned out, then that costs some more money. So I'm gonna show you a quick trick. I keep saying trip. I must be getting ready to go somewhere at some point. There's some money somewhere. I keep saying trip in my garage right here, but let me show you real quick. I want to say what's up to my dog. Shiloh, tell everybody hello. Oh, you gonna act funny? Okay. Right here. Gotta adjust a little bit. Gotta adjust a little bit, but you guys get the gist of it. Need an extension cord. I mean, that's it. You wash your car. You know, get out, wash your car, wash your truck. Whatever you have. And also, you like this was called a skin fade. You can also use a razor to knock the hair off the side and just take your time. But every single time you wash your own car, you vacuum clean from the house, that's $50 you save. So you going through washing your truck at those car washes, that's 10, that's 40. If you getting a haircut once a week, 4 weeks, that's 200. Or twice a week, that's 100. If you're doing twice, that's 140. You know, so guys, it's all about educate and motivate. So that's a little Swiffer dust jet, but you can also turn it to vacuum cleaner. So find you one of them for cheap, and trust me, you won't have to go and vacuum clean anymore. You wash your truck or car from the house, and then you know start out, get you some clippers. You're gonna save a lot of money by doing so. Do I go to the barber? Sometime I do, but like today, I didn't want to go. I wanted to save money, which we should be doing, especially you do decent job or good job. But for me, I'm fine with this. I'm gonna roll with it. I'm gonna roll with it. So putting money in your pocket, like I said, this channel is all about education and motivation. That's what it's about, you know. Um, so again, y'all hear her whining in the background. She just wants some attention. Shallow, hey, she just wants some attention now, y'all. But I'll catch y'all on the next video. This was just real quick to show y'all. I'm gonna finish back. I'm vacuuming this truck out. Gotta make an adjustment real quick. All right, catch y'all later. All right, guys, I'm back. Just again, just gave myself skin fade, and I had to do a whole video how I did that by myself. You need a little small mirror so you can see the back of your head. You know you want to make yourself look nice in appearance, so just take your time. It can be done, right? So so that's one way to save money. Like I said, they are anywhere between $25 to $40. I've seen them charge up to 60. So I know we supposed to be making, a little bit more money compared to back in the day where the haircuts was $5 and $10. Some of you may not was alive in that era. They was as cheap as five. I remember haircuts $3. And so what made me is seeing those prices going up, and I just started practicing. You can do it on a weekend or something where your hair grow back, and this is for people with low cuts. And then you can play around, and if you got design, I'm like, okay, I hadn't gotten to that point. I hadn't tried the design because I don't want to. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do what I can do, but I ain't got into designs. But skin fade, bald head, regular uh, haircut, you keep the guards on. Bald head, you can go over it with the liners, and then use the razor to get the close shave. Probably want to use a triple blade for that if you decide to go that route. So again, that money adds up if you're getting a haircut once a week. Haircut. Nowadays, like I said, 30. Even if it's $30 you paying, plus shave, they gonna probably do 35. So if they do 30 4 weeks, that's 120. Now you're washing your car, vacuuming it at the house. Like I showed you, you probably don't need an extension in order to do it. Well, I know you'll need an extension most likely. Um, you know, you can wash your car and vacuum at the house, guys. If you going once a week, some people go twice. That's $20. You going twice a week. 20, that's 80. For the month. You going once, that's 10, 40. So $40, 120, 160, you saving. You know, then that money start adding up. 160 you save in 10 months, 1600, right? So hey, in today's world now, the more you know how you can maneuver through things, you're going to be fine. But you got to know how to, whatever your gifts are, and then some things you can YouTube, you can Google and find out how to do. So make sure that you are things that you can do. You know, find a way to save. It's the society we in now. Find a way to save some money sometimes. Now, if you want to go in, go in. You know. So just wanted to share that today. Just give y'all tips on, if you decide to line yourself or cut your own hair, how much money you'll be saving, as well as washing your car or truck and vacuuming it in the ways that you can do it. So, all right, that's another. I was gonna say episode, but that concludes, today's topic as far as knowing how to save money. So just give me all those tips, and we'll see you next time on Doc Allen TV.